Hi everyone, welcome to the Messy Desk. Today we have new ink and new pen day. Yay! So I got these two actually not on the same day and from two different stores locally, brick and mortar stores. This is from Think and this is from Fook Hing. This is a Melon blue from the brand Guitar. Never heard of them until the day I bought this. It's a Guitar brand here. The bottle actually looks really neat. Look at that. And it's pretty close to Yamadori, if you know the Sailor Gentle ink. And since that got discontinued apparently, and I love that ink. So this ink looks pretty close to Yamadori, so I got this. Then this. So those of you who know Pilot pens would probably already guess what this pen is from the packaging. So let's get to it. Ta-da! Limited edition. And love the pattern over here. Yep, this is the limited edition Vanishing Point. You can see it's so shiny. And here we have it. 2021 Vanishing Point Limited Edition Black Ice. Very nice ombre to it. Very shiny. And so I have a thing for vanishing points. I find that they're so convenient to use. I love the click mechanism. Works really well. And they also come in so many colors and they have a limited edition every year. I was very torn whether to get this black ice. The colors are not particularly outstanding. It's not really bright. It reminds me of the Crimson Sunrise from 2017. I really regretted not getting that pen, and most ironically, one of the reasons why I did not get a pen apart from the price was that I found the colors too bright and vibrant for me, only for myself to regret it a few months later when I realized that I wanted more color in my life. I started liking more bright and vibrant colors. So initially this would have been my dream pen, but now the tables have turned. But still, I like blue, I like black. Black is cool color, love blue since I was a little kid. And yeah, over the course of a few months, I just kept thinking about this pen over and over again, and so in the end, I bought it. I guess I just didn't want to have another pen that got away from me and regret it a couple of months later because these are limited edition and they're hard to find after it's sold out, and even harder to find if you don't want to pay an arm and a leg for it. So that's it. I bought it. No regrets. So let me just show you the rest of the box. This box is actually really pretty. There we go. So you can pull down this flap, and inside there's this little tray that stores the accessories like the cap. If you are using a cartridge with the pen, then you need to put on this little metal cap just in case you squirt out ink from the cartridge when you do the clicking, like this. And then you have a manual. In case you're wondering, yes, there are magnets inside the cap, so it closes really well. So usually I don't keep pen boxes, except the nice ones like the Pilots, specifically the boxes for their limited edition Vanishing Points. Okay, let's put the box aside and ink this up. Actually, before that, let's do a swatch of the Guitar Melon Blue. Okay, maybe it's a little darker than Yamadori. There it is. Okay, let's ink up the pen and then write with it and we can compare. So I got the pen in the medium nib. Well, but by the time I went down to the shop, they only had medium and fine left, and since I prefer thicker nibs, medium it is. Previously, I got a couple of vanishing points in the broad. So this time I actually thought that maybe I should get a medium nib for a change because I already have so many in broad nibs. Yeah, it worked out just nice. Either case, Look at that. Yeah, I absolutely hate these converters from Pilot. They just don't feel up well. I heard that they would be redesigning it, and I must say the redesign can't come fast enough. These are terrible. Strange feeling. The cartridge is definitely an option, but I don't have an empty cartridge lying around, so this will have to do. I can sacrifice my fingers for this. Just be careful because the feed of the vanishing point is practically non-existent. So if the converter is too full and you just squeeze it in, you actually push some of the ink out from the feed and onto your hands, table, paper, whatever. You get the idea. Okay, that's it. I only dirtied like 3 fingers doing this. Ah, more ink. I guess the converter was a bit too full because now I'm getting ink coming out from the housing. Okay, let me fetch some paper and we'll write with it. Okay, we're back. I dried up the ink swatch with a heat gun, and this is the Melon blue, and this is Yamadori. You can see that they are really quite similar. Yamadori is a little bit more green, whereas this one is more blue, but they both sheen pretty nicely. Very nicely, I would say. Just a slight difference in the tone, but otherwise, I would say it's a very good replacement for Yamadori. Okay, so let's write with the vanishing point. So here I have my trusty Hobonichi with Tomoe River paper, and the pen writes very, very smoothly. Looks like a charm, really. Not expecting otherwise, because I did test the pen, dip tested it in the store. And oh yeah, so as with all their limited edition pens, it's a bit hard to see, but it's actually numbered, and they produce as many pens as the year. So this is 2021, so they produced 2021 pens, 2021, and the number I got is really quite hard to see because it's really tiny, but here it is, 2012. So 2012 out of 2021. It's a pretty nice number, I would say. So this is the Pilot Limited Edition pen of 2021. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.